how to add a referral program in Shopify. To do this, we have to navigate to the search bar up here, and I'm just going to type in affiliate. And now we're going to go to the Shopify App Store, and that will take us to this page. And now you want to look for this app called GoAff Pro Affiliate Marketing, and I'm going to click on that one. And for me it says open because I have it already installed, but for you it will say install. So you just click on that and you follow the steps to install it, and then it will take you to this page. And now where it says success, you can just get started. You can follow these steps, or you can just click skip setup if you don't want to. And now you can see the page views, the orders, the revenue, and the affiliates, which is 0 at the moment, of course. So, and here you have your affiliate portal. This is the link, and you can just go ahead and copy these links and add them to your Shopify page. And that's it. That's how you add a referral program in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.